Again, just a quick review. Atoms have mass. An atom gets its identity from its number of protons, but it also has neutrons. All around it has a mass. Not every magnesium atom weighs the same because they can have different numbers of neutrons, even though they always have the same number of protons. And hopefully that sounds relatively familiar at this point. But for most of the things we do as chemists, what we really need to know is that magnesium has a mass of 24.31 grams per mole. And so magnesium is 24.31, and that's grams of magnesium per 1 mole of magnesium. So look, this is equal to 1. 24.31 grams of magnesium is 1 mole of magnesium. They're both exactly the same thing. This is equal to 1. This is useful because chemistry happens in moles. And so if I were to say that I had 15.7 grams of magnesium and I needed to know how many moles I had, I can again divide that by 1 in dimensional analysis format. I know grams of magnesium is going on the bottom because that's what's on the top there. I'm moving it to moles of magnesium because that's how work in chemistry is done. And then I can be thoughtful for a second, and it's not 24.31 moles in a gram, it's 24.31 grams in a mole. All the masses on the periodic table are the masses of 1 mole. So I put the 24.31 grams in 1 mole. And then the grams of magnesium cancel, and I should end up with an answer that is 15.7 divided by 24.31 moles of magnesium. And again, you can just put that in your calculator and recognize that when you do that, the answer should have 3 significant figures because this has 3, that has 4. This is multiplication, division. Keep the smallest number of significant figures.